Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a seller and earn money on Fiverr. But first, I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first, open the app and then at the bottom of the screen you can see the become a seller option. You have to click on that. So you have to create a gig for offering your services to a global audience and start earning more. Deliver your work. Use our built-in tools to communicate with your customers and deliver their orders. Get paid, receive your payment once the order is complete. It's that simple. So this is how the app works. Then click on the continue. So you can continue with your Facebook account, with Google, or sign up with any other email address. I'm going to continue with my Google account. Alright, so you have to use your public username or to type in your public username and click on the sign up. Invalid username must start with a letter, minimum 6 characters. Welcome to Fiverr. Just one more thing, to start selling on the app, finish setting up your seller profile and create your first gig on desktop. Learn how to set up your account on desktop. Okay, you can do that or click on the remind me later, and after that you check the app, you can set up your profile and start selling your products. For that, you can click on the learn how option, and then you will see all the necessary information regarding setting up your profile. You can see that there is some videos about it, so it's a really easy way to set up your profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.